show you how to make a copy of any Google document in as much as it is available publicly for public use. So for instance, this Google Doc is available for anyone with a link to use it. So this is what you want to do. You want to go straight to the File tab, click on it. After clicking on that, then you go to Make a Copy. Once you click on Make a Copy, then it copies the document for you. So yeah, you can actually rename the document to what suits you, and then you can also organize the document into your own Google Drive by putting it in the folder that you want to. Then you can either share it with the same people. Sharing it with the same people means that you have the same sharing setting as the original template or the original Google Doc. You can copy the comments and suggestions from that Google Doc, the original one, or you could also include resolved comments and suggestions. So what my recommendation is that you don't click this, because I'm assuming that this is a personal document to you, so that only you can access the copied file. So then you just go ahead to click Make a Copy, and then it automatically creates a copy of that document in your own Google Drive that is private to you. So you see on the sharing settings here that it is only private to you. Of course, you could always update that by sharing with any other persons that you want, or you come here to make it either publicly available or keep it restricted. Yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you very much.